How y'all doing out there? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Clayton Showalter's YouTube channel here. And we're doing a little carburetor video here. This is a Tillotson carburetor here. It's off a Pioneer p40 chainsaw here. And let's see if I can find the numbers here. Maybe you can see that, so there's the numbers you should be looking for when you're getting a kit for it. So we're gonna take the diaphragm side off. I do not have a kit for this, but I just thought I'd make a little video here of taking the metering. This is the metering side here. Taking the metering diaphragm out here, and maybe we'll soak it in some lime juice and see if that'll soften it up there. Maybe we'll set it on the stove in a little bit of lime juice, and maybe that'll help it come back to life there. And what you gotta look for too is I can show you here. Oh, it's not, doesn't feel too bad. You want to kind of lift this side up here, and you want to push it that way, the way my fingers, pointing towards the jet side, because the way it locks in. So you've got this little, right there where my fingernail's pointing. See how it's got that little flat part and then like a groove in it there? Sorry, I'm trying to hold it steady. See that there, where my fingernail's pointing? That's gonna, on the carburetor here, right there where you see that little, the metering lever, there's that notch right there. That's how that fits in there. Right there. Sorry, I'm trying to hold it steady. Right there. That little horseshoe. That's where that diaphragm fits into there. Sorry for wiggling around so much. Kind of hard to hold it steady there. Yeah, and this diaphragm here, it's not making the usual crinking noise. Because you'll hear them sometimes and they'll just make a crinkle noise there. But it ain't in the best. It's not horrible. So we're going to soak it in some lime juice to see if that brings it back here. So, hope you all enjoy this video. Hope you're doing well. Y'all, thanks for watching. Be kind. Bye-bye.